Spacious, move-in ready, smart house in a super convenient location. Open concept, split floor plan. This home has great features including 9-foot ceiling height, privacy fencing around a good-sized backyard, with firepit. The large living room has triple sliding doors opening to a wide-screened porch overlooking the private backyard. Kitchen has granite counters, stainless appliances and a new microwave. The laundry room is convenient to the second and third bedrooms. The front entry is screened. Home has a lot of natural light. Large master bath has double vanity, ample counter space, a soaking tub and walk-in shower. Smart features that can be controlled from a phone app include digital locks, electronic thermostat, and light switches, security system with multiple cameras. There is a standard security system if you decide to activate it. Work from home? You will love the option to plug into wired Ethernet in each room for a smoother internet feed. Air conditioner 2020, per seller. Corner lot, very convenient location. Schedule your showing today, this house won't last long.